Say hi, Rascal. Say hi. Oh, here comes the little tagger. Say hi, Rascal.
Rascal, say hi.
Rascal.
Rascal.
Hey, baby. Say hi. What are you barking at?
I'll say hi. He's saying hi to you. She says, hi, buddy.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, buddy. He's making it now. We love you. We love you. Here, take a picture of my pretty shirt.
I did.
Oh, okay. Of my... He's doing it now. Taking pictures of the dog. What are you watching? What are you watching? Oh, you're watching it right now, huh? Oh. Did you see Bob Barker beat the crap out of Adam Sandler? That would be funny. And he called him a bitch. He says, well, take this. Well, how do you say that? What's this? I don't know what he said now. It's been a while. How do you like that, bitch? He said. Oh, my God. Come on, baby.
Get back. Get back.
What are you doing here? There's Big Bubba.
Give him kissy.
Give him kissy.
There's Rascal. Give Rascal kissy.
Give him kissy.
There he is. Oh, give him kissy. There's Rascal.
Give him kissy. Rascal.
Rascal, give her a kissy.
Aww.
She wants a kissy. Give her a kissy.
No, not me. See your sister. Go on. There, look at. Aww. Aww. He wants a kissy. A kissy, Rascal. Give him kissy. Go ahead. Here. Kiss her. Give kissy. Oh, cute. He says, I'll get up here. Maybe he will. Rascal, turn around. Look at you.
Rascal, give her a kissy. Come on.
Gosh.
There she is.
Oh, God. What are you snorting for? Here. Rascal. Go ahead. Oh, you're prancing.